to make an axle hole on the car, you're going to need to make sure that it is exactly centered in the wheel opening. To do that, you'll find the midpoint across the bottom of the line, and then go up. And it should go up 3 millimeters because that's how far we went up when we originally drew the circle. So I'll just type 3, enter. And then you're going to grab the circle tool. And a good size is about a radius 1.6. That will allow you to connect the wheel to the car without it being too difficult. Before I draw the 1.6 circle, I like to extend the circle all the way out and just double check that your wheel will be centered in the wheel opening inside the fender. So you want to see the line come out evenly all the way around. Sometimes if your line is not in the right location and you draw a line, as you start extending the circle, you'll see it's going to bump into part of the fender before it reaches the other side. That will mean you won't be able to put a very large wheel on your car, which means it won't lift it up high enough to clear the track. So again, to fix that, make sure you're drawing your line from the midpoint. You're going up 3 millimeters, and then you're going to draw a circle that's a radius 1.6. Then you just clear out the little pieces of line with the eraser tool, and you need to push this circle all the way to the back of the car, to the other side. If you're looking straight on, that can be kind of difficult. It might shoot through way too far. So what I do is I try to rotate underneath the car a little bit so I can see this back edge. And that way, as I'm pushing the circle through, if I just set the mouse on the edge, it will lock it to that distance, and it'll be exactly in the center. Now, we don't need these little pieces on the back, so you can just right click on them and hit erase, and then you have a hole that will go all the way through your car. Again, once we put the two halves together. Remember, we're just designing half of the car, and then we'll put the other half. We'll copy and paste this and put them together. So you want the hole to go all the way through.